loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag. So the bag that I am going to be showing you guys is the Gucci Super Mini Marmont bag, and it's the one that has like the heart on the back of it. And it's like in this off-white color with gold hardware. So before I show you guys what's in my bag, I want to show you guys all the different ways that you can wear this bag and why I fell in love with it. So the first way that you can wear this bag is by attaching the key hook that comes inside of it to the chain. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. So here is the bag, the chain normally. So normally it's this long, and if you put it on your body, it just hangs this low. But say you just want it to be shorter for like a nighttime look, all you would do is open the top pouch and you would wrap one of the chain, the side where the key chain part is, and you would wrap it this way. So now that they're both on the same side, and you would just open the little chain and then attach it, and now you have a cute shoulder bag. So I love to wear the bag like this. I think it's so cute. I love how it looks. I think it's perfect for nighttime. It's super elegant. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys, like if I make it shorter. So the next way that you can wear this bag is you can undo everything that we just did and attach it this way and wrap it. So don't keep everything on the same side, and then you would wrap it around your waist and then attach it here. And if this chain is unable to fit on your waist, you can buy an extender chain so that you could still like achieve this style. And now you have a belt bag. So the next way that you can wear this bag is, of course, the normal way. And if you want to just wear it like crossbody, so it fits perfectly crossbody, like on a little lower under my hip. But now you have a crossbody bag. Say if you wanted a look where it's just like a clutch, you would just take the straps and just put it inside the bag. Now you have a clutch. So the next way you can wear this bag, I told you guys, this is why I love this bag. You can wear so many ways. So the next way you can wear this bag is by attaching the chain again, and then you wrap it around the inside of the bag this way. Close it, and now you have like another super cute nighttime bag where it's just like kind of like a top handle look. Like, so if you're like a top handle girl, you can make your own top handle. Love this. So the next way, you have the strap normally, so it's not attached to the keychain anymore, and you just wrap this side around the top of the bag. So then close it, and now you have a longer look, and you have like the chain like at the top. So if you like the look where you have like your chain showing like at the top, like, or you can even pull it to make it like droop over, like if this is the look you want to go for. So yeah, now you have like it just hanging. And of course, you can pull it and make it a longer strap to put around, like on your shoulder as a shoulder bag, like if you just want it to be longer. Those are all the different ways that you can wear this bag. So now I'm going to show you guys what's inside of here. And honestly, don't be afraid. Like if you want to get like a light colored bag, don't be afraid of color transfer. I've had this bag for about a year now and it still looks perfectly new. I'm careful with the bag, but I don't babysit it. Like I wear with any types of clothing and you can't tell, it looks in perfectly good condition. I wear this all the time in all the different ways. So don't be afraid to get like a light colored bag because of color transfer. You just, as long as you're not like throwing your bag in like mud or something, you should be perfectly fine. And I really highly recommend light bags. So let's see what's inside. So surprisingly, even though this is the super mini, so much could fit in here. So I have my iPhone 12 Max or Pro or whatever it's called. So that can fit inside of here. So honestly, if my phone could fit in a bag, it's perfect. So I honestly didn't think it would fit, but it fits, y'all. It fits. The next thing I have is a miniature size perfume. It's the Clinique Happy. I have my lip gloss. And I have my car keys and my little, I forgot what this is called. So inside of here, I just have my AAA card. I just have my debit cards, my credit cards, and my license. So yeah, that's pretty much everything inside here. And this is the inside of the bag if you're curious. And yeah, guys, so much could fit in here. I just pretty much, when I wear this bag, I just make sure to like carry the necessities. And as you can see, I could fit the necessities. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next one.